So why don't people achieve their goals? Man, there's a myriad of different reasons. One of those 4 reasons is their fear of failure. So I've come up with a tried and true method to help you overcome that. I mean, can you imagine if you wrote a goal and you didn't make it? You're thinking, there's no way. I mean, look back to the first of the year, right? Everybody wants to go to the gym. Everybody wants to lose weight. So what do? They write a goal, or they have a goal and they put it out there and they go to the gym a couple of times, and by the end of January, it's done. The goal's done and over with. So now what? What can we do? Well, using the SMART goals, I've created something called the Smarter Goal System. Well, what does that do? That helps you overcome that fear of failure. What does it do for you? Well, just like the ER, when you hear ER, you think of going to the hospital. And the hospital, the ER at the hospital, will provide you with life-saving measures. And those life-saving measures, those are the things that will bring you back to life. How do I know? Been there, done that. But here's the kicker. The ER stands for evaluate. Evaluate your goals. Just like when you go to the ER, they evaluate you, they see what's going on, and then they resuscitate you. Now, that's not what the R stands for. The R stands for revise. We need to revise those goals. Why? Because your goals are a living, breathing thing. They're a part of you. They need the ER or they will die. The ER is the life support for your goals. So you evaluate your goals. You're halfway through your goal and you realize, I am not going to make it. Oh my goodness, I'm just going to give up. And that's okay. That's what most people do. But the ER, that's not what it's designed to do. You're going to constantly evaluate your goals. Check in weekly, check in every other week, whatever it is. You're going to see where you're at, and then you can revise that goal. If you're not going to make your goal, you go ahead and you assess what can change in the goal. What sort of elements can you adjust or revise? Let's see, can I adjust the who? Well, of course not. What about the what, the where, the when, the why, and the how? You look at all of that and revise the goal based on what's your new goal. And then, what happens if it's on the positive side? You are sitting so close to achieving your goal, but you've got so long before you get there. Well, evaluate, look at the who, what, where, when, why, and how again, and revise it. Revise it to increase that goal. Does that mean it wasn't attainable or your goals weren't realistic? Of course not, because life happens. The wind is going to blow you. Life is going to throw all sorts of things at you that you need to pivot and adjust for. So use the ER, use the Smarter Goal System, and you will achieve amazing things. In my book, Blind Spot, Living Your Best Life, A Beginner's Guide to Money, Mindset, and Motivation, I talk about that. I talk about the Smarter Goal System and how you can use the Smarter Goal System in your life so it puts you in the driver's seat of your own life. It's time for you to stop being a passenger and check your blind spots and become intentional with your life.